I want to do something we refer to as our Whissel widget of the week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have a little bit more fun. So what do you got, dude?
I was going to share Paperform.
Okay.
So Paperform is basically an online form builder that I use. And shout out to Frank Klesitz for turning me on to it. But basically, one of the things I used it for best was creating a lead form that I used through Facebook. And this particular lead form that I used with Paperform that I created, feel free to reach out to me on social media or whatever. I can share some of the questions that are on it with you. But that particular lead form, I think in the last 2 years or last year and a half or so, made me over $500,000 just for that Paperform that I created. Yeah.
Okay. So it's a form building system that'll integrate with Facebook?
It doesn't integrate, but it creates a link.
Creates, okay.
Right. Yeah. So you
you're
essentially
running a Facebook
create
ad, driving them to the Paperform.
Exactly.
I like that.
And it's super friendly, user friendly. It's clean and smooth when people go through it.
Yeah.
And it encourages them. Yeah, it encourages them to keep going through the form. So
cool.
That's one of my favorites.
All right. The one I'm going to share are these bad boys right here. I decided to give running blue light glasses a chance a couple years ago, and I could not imagine running without them. If you could, there's all kinds of studies you could read on this stuff, but staring at a computer screen or a phone screen or a TV screen or any sort of a screen all day long, there's a lot of strain that you're putting on your eyeballs. And if you could just get a nice pair of blue light glasses, it makes a freaking world of difference. The days that I don't have them, I can literally feel the pressure in my head from like the added strain to stare at a screen. I know this sounds crazy, but like this truly, truly makes a difference. I wear them from a company called Blenders. They're local here in San Diego. They don't have that like super blue tinted lens, but they're blue light glasses. They're fire. Like I would highly recommend you try these out for a little while. I walk away, like I literally feel my energy level is higher at the end of the day just because I'm not straining my eyes as much to stare at a damn computer screen. So just, we have James Clear speaking at an event, fastforwardconference.com. You should be there. Tiny changes, remarkable results. Like this is an example of a tiny change of just wearing a blue light set of glasses, and whether your prescription or not doesn't matter. It makes a huge difference. It's a remarkable result. So that's my widget of the week. And with that said, guys, I hope you got a lot of value out of the episode today. Love to stay connected. Reach out to Kimo at Kimo Quants on social. Do you have a middle initial in there?
No.
All right.
Kimo Quants.
We keep it easy, guys. Like your social should not be at Killer Kitty 619. Like that shouldn't be your social. It should be your name. I'm at Kyle Whissel. He's at Kimo Quants. Follow us on social. We'd love to stay connected with you. Thanks so much for tuning in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.